guys, welcome to Hacienda Gracia, and please come with me with a tour. Do you want to know more about stingless bees and Philippine honey producing bees, and also join the basic beekeeping workshop for beginners this coming December, and hope to see you. Actually, it's not just more fun in the Philippines, it's more fun with the bees. So this will be our workshop venue for 2 days. And I can't wait.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello vlogs, welcome to my guys. So, we will have a farm tour for the workshop area. And here we have stingless bee here, which you are going to learn more on December 12 to 13. So see you. So in preparation for the workshop, the flower meadows here are ready. And as you can see, it's edible landscaping, good for the bees, good for your health. Let's visit one colony here, native.
Yeah.
So, good morning. So they have here the mungo-mungo species of stingless bee, which are naturally grown. No, naturally dito na talaga sila nagbahay. So, you will meet them next month. So this is a perfect chance to learn not just for beekeeping but also edible landscaping and gardening, but maybe agriculture as a whole. Lahat nandito, lahat matutunan. Siksik. I mean, the location for the workshop is perfect. You know, the collection of native trees. You'll get to learn more, and of course, the owner, Miss Daryl, is like an amazing lady farmer, the real queen bee of Visayas. So you'll see more of the chicken areas there, there's a poultry area, and here are the rabbits. Pwede pong pahiram. So kung wala kayong service sa farm, pwede to. These are good for bees also, and it comes with, I think, 3 colors. May white din ito eh.
Wild lang yan dito.
Oh, wow.
Kinuha namin dun sa taas.
The blue ternate for their blue rice and blue drinks. Strawberry collection with herbs. Good for bees, good for you. I think this will be my favorite spot soon. The Lover's Table.
Yes,
So,
yun talaga yung name niyan.
Oh, Lover's Area. So imagine having a coffee during sunset, or having a nice conversation at nighttime with the fireflies. Gingers. And look, the pots, the planting materials are recycled.
Magkuno.
So my favorite jam, Rosel. This is actually my favorite tea as well. It's in Bingo Farm, it's called moving on tea, since it's good for the heart.
Yeah.
I don't know kung anong tawag ni Miss Daryl dito. So, see, ganda. Tawag itong walang sawi farm, walang sawi tea.
And we have Lover's Table again there.
Oh, another one. Holy cow, with the holy basil. Ang bango.
Very good for the heart too, di ba?
Yes. And it's a memory enhancer actually.
Pwedeng mag-date dyan.
Ano nga to ulit?
Governor's Plum, Serali.
Yan. So imagine, there's a lot more to learn, and I hope to see you guys soon.